What's going on, guys? Thank you all for joining me on another walkthrough. Of course, we have a brand new listing here on the market in Cape Coral. And like always, we're going to take a look at the area here real quick, just admire the beautiful area that we have here. This is one of the greatest neighborhoods in Southwest Cape. There's no question about it. And one thing I want to note right from the get-go is that this property is not in a flood zone, so that's a huge benefit for people. It's flood zone X500, which means that there's no flood insurance required. Now let's go over a couple of stats here. So we have a 3-bedroom plus a den, 2 bathrooms, built in 2001. It's about 1,700 square feet, and we have a couple of updates as well. AC system is a 2019, brand new roof as well. And let's admire this view here one more time of this beautiful area. And of course, it's an amazing Sunday here in Cape Coral. So yeah, there you go. Let's go take a look inside and see what we're working with here. All right, let's step inside. Now, if you guys are interested in looking up this property, the address is 3043 Southwest 24th Avenue in Cape Coral. And yeah, all the furnishings are negotiable. If you want a smooth move-in experience, no problem. You can include the furniture there, and you can take it over as it is. Beautiful view coming in right through the back sliding door where the pool area is. Now stick around for the pool area. I'll show that in the end. Nice pool area. And you got your den right over here as well. Now this home has a split floor plan, which means that you have the master on one side and then both of the guest bedrooms on the opposite side. So we're going to sway over to this side here, and we're going to look at the guest bedrooms first. You got your bathroom also with access to the outside to the pool area as well, and a tub. Both the guest bedrooms have plenty of space for at least a queen size bed, and you can have 2 nightstands on the side, no problem with that. Okay, we're going to make our way over to this other bedroom here. Also, this one's a little bit bigger than the one that we just saw, and then you also have access to the pool area outside here. Now, one thing I want to note is that this property has city water and sewer, so you don't have to maintain a well, and all the assessments for that are all paid off. So this is going to benefit your tax bill. You don't have to pay that off in your tax bill every year. You got nice city utilities, and you don't have to maintain that well. Now we're going to make our way slowly to the master here, but I'm going to stop at the kitchen. Let me give you guys another view of the living room area here real quick from a different angle. Now we have the same floors, the same tiles all throughout, by the way, so there's no carpet or anything like that. Then you got your laundry area right here with access to the garage. It's a 2-car garage. Washer, dryer, everything's included, of course. All right, you got your pantry, kitchen area, and then you have your formal dining area as well. And then you got the 90-degree windows, the sliders that lead to the outside. You can leave those open in the wintertime when the weather's nice. So have a nice cool breeze coming in. Now this property is under management with a management company. Now if you guys want to take over any of the bookings, if you want to do the short-term rental, you have that option, but you don't have to take over the bookings. If you do take the bookings, then you have some extra income coming in. And these usually do rather well during season, which is January, February, March, and part of April. So you can help offset some of the costs, property taxes, insurance. All right, this is going to be the master bedroom. We have a king-size bed here, plenty of space, of course. And then this leads us over to the bathroom here. You got his and her sinks. And then one thing I want to note is you have a huge walk-in closet. I rarely see closets this size in pretty much any house. So then you got your shower. All right, perfect. Well, let's take a peek at the outside here. The outside living areas, pool area, of course, it's a heated pool as well. And that's going to be very, very important if you guys do decide to do, the Airbnb, VRBO, the short-term rentals. Then those do very, very well during the season time when it's a little bit colder out to have a pool heater. So that's going to pay dividends. All right, let's make our way through the slider here. Take a look at the outside. Now you got your spacious sitting area out here under truss, of course. And then one thing to note, and this is very, very important, you have accordion shutters all throughout the house. So all windows are protected by accordion shutters as well as the outside here. So if there's a storm coming, you don't have to bring in all your outdoor furniture. You can just leave it there, shut the accordion shutters, and boom, you're pretty much set up. Heated pool, pool cage. And I'm also going to show you guys the outside here. So you can have a quick view of the backyard and see how much space there is in the backyard. And of course, we got amazing landscaping as well. St. Augustine grass. Nice landscaping, of course, and then you have the beautiful sunshine. That's what Florida's all about. So if you guys are interested in this property or any other property just like this, feel free to let me know. I'm going to blend in my information here, or visit my website at dennismuchowrea.com if you want more information about this one. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.